Hi guys! Here in California, we are quickly approaching the last day of school. As a teacher myself, I have received some lovely notes of appreciation from my students over the years. I keep them forever, and it's really the most meaningful and thoughtful thing a student can do. So this year I decided that it was time for Charlie and Jack, even though they're only in elementary school, to learn how to write thank you notes to their teachers, to really express their gratitude and appreciation for all the incredible things their teachers do. So keep watching to see how you can get your own kids to write a thank you note in 20 minutes or less while keeping yourself sane in the process.
I'm Regina. As a full-time teacher in Los Angeles, the stepmom to two incredible boys, and wife to my wonderful husband George, I know that life can get busy. Follow me on my journey as I navigate the crazy world of parents and step-parents, wives and second wives, and kids and teenagers, figuring it out one day at a time.
Okay, so we're doing this not just because it's a cause that's near and dear to my heart. In fact, studies indicate that children who learn about gratitude from an early age experience immediate health and social benefits, such as better performance in school, increased happiness at school, fewer headaches and stomach aches, and reduced materialism. That sounds pretty good to me. But how to actually get this done? Step 1.
Make a list of the teachers you need to thank and write down their names on a master list. This will help assure you don't forget anyone and also help your kids with the spelling of each name. If you're feeling really ambitious, think beyond the classroom and thank other people who make a difference in your kids' lives at school. Maybe the people who work in reception, in the cafeteria, or in the after-school program. Step 2. Have your kids choose the cards. They may prefer an actual card or even just plain white paper so that they can write bigger and maybe draw a picture. Our kids actually took this project more seriously when they saw that they could use my fancy stationery. So really, whatever works.
Wait, this is an envelope.
Yeah, it's okay.
Step 3. Write a basic formula for them to follow. This is important because it gives them a rough outline, but they can also fill in the gaps and really make it their own. I'll put the formula I use below for your reference, but it essentially goes like this. Dear teacher, thanks for being such a great teacher. I learned so much this year, and I especially liked the blank. This is where I tell Charlie and Jack that they can write whatever they want as long as it's not lunch or recess. Then, have a great summer, and thanks for choosing to become a teacher. I like to keep it simple while also allowing for some flexibility and authenticity on their part. Step 4. Turn on some tunes and make it a fun family activity. Even George wanted to join in. This is where I had to remind myself to let go of my perfectionist tendencies. You of course want the cards to look nice, but they should definitely come from your kids, and it's really important for them to take ownership.
Is this disappearing ink?
In step 5, add some pizzazz to the card. This is where the boys really had fun with drawings and stickers. You can also encourage them to decorate their envelopes, and Charlie and Jack really had a lot of fun doing this part. And that's it. Once you're done, I recommend putting them in your kids' backpacks right before they go to school so that they remember to give them to their teachers, and hopefully their teachers will be in for a great surprise.
That's what I've got for you guys today. I hope that's helpful. If you have any tips or tricks for getting your kids to write thank you notes, I would love for you to share and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. You can always check out Wife2 on Instagram. I'm doing daily updates there as well, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.